17 hidden car tricks that will blow your mind. Mechanics do not want you to know this. You ever feel like your car is keeping secrets from you? You would be surprised what is hiding in plain sight. All sorts of smart features, useful tricks, and money-saving shortcuts most drivers never notice. Today, I am counting down 17 hidden car features and safety tips that will make you see your ride in a whole new way. Stick around, because some of these could actually save you a small fortune. Now, let us get started with secret number 17. Secret number 17, adjustable rear wiper nozzle. Ever spray your back window only to find it misses entirely or soaks your trunk? Here's a little known fix. Most cars let you adjust the rear washer nozzle yourself. No mechanic required. Use a needle or pin to nudge the nozzle until it sprays exactly where you want. It's a 1-minute tweak. And suddenly, your rear visibility in all weather gets a massive upgrade. Secret number 16, traction control button mastery. That little car icon with squiggly lines, that's your traction control. Normally, it prevents skids on wet or icy roads. But if you're stuck in snow or mud, switch it off temporarily to allow a bit of wheel spin, just enough to get unstuck. Then switch it back on for regular driving. Knowing when to do this can save you from an expensive tow. Secret number 15, the parking brake as an emergency lifesaver. If your main brakes ever fail, your parking brake could be your last line of defense. But here's how to use it right. If you have a lever, pull it up slowly and steadily, not in a panic yank, so your car stops smoothly and does not skid. If your parking brake is a button, press and hold it for gradual engagement. Try this at low speed in a safe spot so you are ready if you ever need it. Secret number 14, the air recirculation button shields you from the outside world. This is the button with the circular arrow. It keeps dirty air, smoke, and pollution out by recycling air already in the car. Bonus, using it cools your cabin faster on summer days and reduces pollen and odors, protecting both your lungs and your vehicle's air filter. Secret number 13, the often overlooked cabin air filter. Dust, pollen, and smells all run through this filter, usually hiding behind your glove box. When it clogs, you get extra fog, weak airflow, and musty air. Swapping in a fresh one is often simple and very cheap, and it can make your ride smell cleaner instantly. Secret number 12, sun visor extension trick. Tired of getting blinded by the sun sneaking under or around your visor? Many visors hide a slide-out extension. Pull it out and say goodbye to sunrise and sunset glare on your commute. Secret number 11, headrest doubles as a window breaker. If you cannot open the window in an emergency, your headrest posts could save your life. Pull it out and use the metal end to tap the corner of the side window, not the center. It will shatter far more easily, offering an exit if the doors jam. Secret number 10, the fuel door indicator arrow. Confused about which side the gas tank is on? There is a tiny arrow next to the pump icon on your dashboard. It points right to the correct side, even if it is your first time in the car. Secret number 9, quick fold rear seats from the trunk. Ever loaded something bulky and had to scramble inside just to lower the seats? Most cars have pull handles right in the trunk. Tug the handle, fold the seat, and slide your oversized cargo in. Hassle-free. Secret number 8, hidden fuel cap holder. Check your fuel door. You will usually find a small slot or hook for your fuel cap while you pump. Using it keeps your paint scratch free and your fuel system cleaner because the cap never hits the ground. Secret number 7. Built-in microphone. Mute for Bluetooth calls. Whether it is rowdy passengers or private information you need to block out, many vehicles have a mute button, sometimes on the steering wheel. Hit it, and your call goes silent on your end until you are ready to unmute. Secret number 6. Night mirror glare. Reduction. If bright headlights behind you are burning your eyes at night, flip the tiny tab under your rear view mirror. Instantly, it will dim those high beams. No technology required. Secret number 5. Automatic icy warning on modern dashboards. A little snowflake icon pops up near freezing temperatures, alerting you to black ice danger, even if the road looks clear. When it appears, drive with extra care because bridges and shady spots freeze first. Secret number 4. Glow-in-the-dark trunk escape handle. Modern cars have a glowing latch inside the trunk. Show everyone in your household where to find it. This safety feature lets you escape if you're ever accidentally trapped. Secret number 3. Tire pressure and fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires steal mileage and cost money. Use the pressure listed on your door, not the tire wall. Even a small drop hurts fuel economy, so check regularly, especially in cold weather. Secret number 2. Speed-sensitive audio volume. If your music gets louder as you speed up, that's not magic. It's speed-sensitive volume designed for comfort. You can usually adjust it or turn it off in your settings menu. Secret number 1. Walk-away automatic car locking. Ever worried if you locked your car? Newer models, even some from 2017 onward, let you set your vehicle to automatically lock when the key fob walks away. Find it in your car's settings and add some peace of mind to every parking lot visit. Brand new for 2026. Bonus features. Dashcam with cloud security. Today's best dashcams do more than record accidents. They upload video instantly to the cloud. If your car is bumped or tampered with, you will get an alert and video evidence, even if the thief takes the memory card. This has saved drivers thousands and helps police shut down scams faster. Tablet-sized infotainment upgrades. Modern cars now come with giant, customizable screens. Here's the hack. If yours does not have one, many cars now support plug-and-play upgrades and software overlays, letting you customize navigation, apps, widgets, and more. You can personalize your interface and even split-screen directions and entertainment. Aftermarket Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS. If your car did not come with the latest safety tech, new plug-and-play systems add lane keeping, forward collision warnings, and more. These are available for almost any ride and install without advanced tools, bringing your car's safety up to modern standards for a fraction of dealer prices. How many of these life hacks did you know already? Drop a comment and tell me which secret was the biggest shock. If this saved you a costly mechanic trip or helped you discover something brand new, make sure you subscribe for even more behind-the-scenes automotive tips. Your car is smarter than you think, and you just unlocked its true potential.